What if help was hours away? Would you be ready? In this video, we reveal the 10 must-have items for your emergency medical kit. Whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, or unexpected injury, having the right supplies can mean the difference between panic and preparedness. From adhesive bandages to sterile gauze pads, we break down each item's importance and how to use it effectively. Join our engaging host as she walks you through these life-saving essentials, complete with stunning visuals and practical tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and share to help others get prepared too. Trust me, these aren't just random things I'm throwing at you. Each one could be a potential lifesaver in a pinch. So let's dive in and see what makes the cut. Alright, let's kick things off with the absolute must-haves. First up, adhesive bandages, or as you might know them, Band-Aids. These little guys are perfect for those small cuts and scrapes that always seem to happen at the worst times. But wait, there's more. For bigger boo-boos, you're going to want sterile gauze pads and medical tape. These are like the dynamic duo of wound care, helping you dress larger wounds and control bleeding like a pro. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Antiseptic wipes. They are your secret weapon against infections. You might be wondering, can't I just use water? Well, sure, if you want to risk a nasty infection. And while we're at it, don't forget disposable gloves. They're not just for keeping your hands clean. They're crucial for preventing the spread of infection. Plus, they make you feel like you're on a medical drama. Bonus. Now, let's talk about the tools that'll make you feel like a real medical professional. First up, tweezers. These aren't just for plucking eyebrows, folks. They're essential for removing splinters, ticks, or any other unwanted guests that decide to make your skin their new home. Next on our list are scissors. You might be thinking, can't I just use my kitchen scissors? No. Just no. Medical scissors are designed to cut through bandages, tape, and even clothing if necessary, without causing additional harm. Oh, and here's a cool tip. You can use these scissors to cut gauze into smaller pieces if you need to. Okay, now for the part you've all been waiting for. Pain management. Let's be real. Nobody likes being in pain. These little miracle workers can help manage pain and reduce inflammation, making you feel human again after an injury. Don't forget to put in antihistamines for allergies. Triple antibiotic ointment like Neosporin for cuts and scrapes. Bonus. Don't forget to pack an EpiPen for serious allergic reactions. And your medications. Don't forget instant cold packs. They're like having a portable ice machine in your kit. These babies are perfect for reducing swelling and relieving pain from sprains or strains. Just give them a squeeze and bam! Instant relief. It's like magic, but it's actually science. How cool is that? Now let's talk about something that might not be on your radar. An emergency blanket. These lightweight, compact blankets can help retain body heat if someone's in shock or in cold conditions. They're a must-have for any emergency kit. And here's a pro tip. A CPR face shield. This little device can be a lifesaver, literally. It provides a barrier between you and the patient, making it safer to perform mouth-to-mouth resuscitation. Don't forget an emergency whistle. It might seem simple, but it can be crucial for signaling for help. Whether you're lost in the woods or need to alert someone nearby, a whistle can make all the difference. And last but not least, a flashlight and extra batteries. Power outages or nighttime emergencies can happen anytime. A reliable flashlight ensures you can see and be seen, making it an indispensable part of your kit. So there you have it, folks. With these items in your emergency medical kit, you'll be prepared for just about anything. Stay safe and stay prepared. So we've covered all 10 essential items for your emergency medical kit. Pretty awesome, right? Remember, having a well-stocked emergency medical kit isn't just about being prepared, it's about peace of mind. So go ahead, put your kit together, and rest easy knowing you're ready for whatever life throws your way. Oh, and don't forget to check and replace items regularly. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. What do you have in your emergency medical kit? Let us know in the comments below.